Hey, it's always fun to see where other people work, so I think I'm going to show you mine. This is my office space, and it is small, crowded, but mighty. So let me show you what I have in here. First, this is the business end over here, where the computers are. Actually, there are 3 of those. This is an old Dell that it may die any day. I'm kind of using that one for another business. But this is where the business end happens over here. And then this is the creative spot over here. I have this, I think it's called Husky table that I got from Home Depot that can go up and down. Let me see if I can turn it and show you. Yep, there it goes. It goes up and down, which is really nice. You have several different levels. Working on something here. This is some machinery, the steel picks machine that I use. Extra storage here. Glue station, glue pot, glue guns, 2 different sizes. These are all the things that I like to keep at hand when I'm trying to make a wreath. And then over here is the lighting area, because sometimes I record a little bit of what I'm doing. As you can see, this extra table here is where I have all the supplies that I'm using to make a wreath. Plus, there's supplies down here, and this, I think this is just like an ottoman down here, but I have supplies in that. This is where the orders supplies are kept, and other supplies also over here. So you can see that I have used every inch of space in here and don't have any left. So like most big cities that are crowded, I had to go up. So I've got these over-the-table extenders where I can hang things. And this sheet is here because often I'll take a picture of a wreath or an arrangement or something with the white background. So that's why that's there. But again, I have another one of those extenders over this table that moves up and down like I showed you. And that's because I just run out of room. Okay, and I keep the ribbon that I use often stored over here in these cabinets, like so, kind of organized by color, more or less. I have a lot more than this, like most of us do, and I keep that in an upstairs walk-in attic. I'm fortunate enough, thank goodness, to have a very large walk-in attic upstairs, and that way I can keep seasonal ribbon and ribbons I don't often use up there. So this is all the stuff, all the machines, all the things that it takes to run a small business. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Show me yours if you have a space where you create